Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the description of Teenager's Prayer. See, Teenager's Prayer is a poem written by J. Morse. The title of the poem is Simple and Straight. The title gives us a clear idea of what the poem is about. Teenagers means the age group of children between 13 to 19. In the poem, the poet J. Morse, he himself think as a teenager, and written in the poem the dilemma of the teenagers about taking right decision. That means in the poem, the poet is speaker, and in the poem the teenagers is requesting to the God for his help to choose the right path or road. There are 5 stanzas in the poem. If you have seen that in the poem there are 5 stanzas. The rhyme scheme of the poem is ABCB. See the stanza-wise explanation of the poem. Each day brings new beginnings. Decision I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. Each day brings new beginnings or starting for teenager. And at the beginning of every day, teenager has to take his own decision. There are so many roads or paths lying in front of him, but to choose the road on which to travel is his responsibility, and he has to choose this road of life alone. Second stanza, I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. In second stanza, there are different paths or roads of life, and that some roads leads to the great success, or there are some roads that leads the teenagers to great worry or strain, and where he gets only sorrow or strain on that road. Third stanza, please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right, bring out the best in me. See, in the third stanza, teenager is praying to the God for open up his eyes so that he might see clearly. He also prays to God to help him stand for what is right and what is wrong. He prays to God to bring out the best in him. Fourth stanza, help Lord to just say no when temptations comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. In fourth stanza, teenager is requesting to the Almighty God for his help. He wants the God's help when temptation comes in his way, so that he might keep his body clean and fit to face the challenges of life. Fifth stanza. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived at its very best with with you walking next to me. In the fifth stanza, when the teenage years are over, he knows the truth that the life lived very best is always the one which is lived under the constant guidance of guide or God.